Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are as awesome as you guys literally are. So first of all, happy Navratri to you all and your family. As you all can see and feel, there is so much excitement in the air. The festive season is all around. And in this Navratri season, I decided to make my makeup tutorial on my Navratri look. As you all can see, I am wearing a sari today, which is very odd, not very common for me. I have a little cold today, so you have to bear with my voice. And before moving to the video, I would just request you to go and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video at the end. So yeah, let's just move to the video. So we will start with the base. So I will first use this Clinique Moisture Surge Cream to moisture my face. I'm going to use a hack which helps me keep my makeup stay for long. Also, I have recently started using this hack. So after putting moisturizer, what I have started doing is to put some translucent powder and set your base. Going to put some setting spray. So by doing this, you are just making sure that your makeup slides in very perfectly and gives you a very nice finishing by the end, and it will also make sure that your makeup lasts long and stay long for you until you take off your makeup. So now I'm going to use some primer to make my pores less visible. I have more like very large pores near my nose, so I'll just it's from Benefit and it's very nice primer. It just make your skin so smooth, makes very even. You can see the difference right here, right? I just some more. I really like preparing my base because it's a very important step in your makeup. So I will do a little correction on my face with this peachy concealer from Benefit. Rest I don't need anywhere on my face because I have even skin tone. Just a little bit of corrector here. And now I will use this MAC Strobe Cream to give me a glowy look. Very light, I'm not going to use much. Just a little bit of it. जब little bit बोलो तो ये हो जाता है. I have little cold, so if bear with my voice today, I can't help it. So yeah, next I'm going to apply foundation, and I have 4 different kinds of foundation available with me which I have used so far. First one is this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Foundation, which gives you a very shimmery effect. It's preferable to use in the night or in the evening whenever you're going out for a party or something. वैसे तो like it doesn't give you a very matte finishing. It's very liquid form. It's a liquid form. Second is this from MAC. I don't prefer using this much because it makes my skin very dry. I already have a combination skin, so it doesn't suits me well. Next foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 115 Ivory, which so far I have found to be perfect for my skin because it doesn't make my skin go very dry and still gives me a very matte look. So I prefer using this mostly whenever like I'm going out or like any time. For it's like very pocket friendly, so I use it every time whenever I go outside. The last one, धूप आ गया मुंह पे मेरे, मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Okay, so the last one is from L'Oreal Paris, Infallible 24-hour matte cover. This is again very nice foundation, gives you a matte finishing, has a medium coverage, and this shade is 101 Classic Ivory. And I found this shade to be a little lighter than what my shade actually is, but इसकी जो फिनिशिंग आती है जब मेकअप हमारा सेट होने में, जो हमें ऑलमोस्ट हाफ एन आवर लगता है ना, तो इसकी फिनिशिंग सबसे अच्छी आई है आज तक मेरे, जब भी मैंने देखा है. सो today I'm going to use this foundation for my makeup. So I'm going to use this with moisturizer because then it spreads very nicely. This much. ये मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, धूप ऐसे आ जाती है मुंह पे. मेरे को आज रूम भी नहीं मिला, सबने मुझे भगा दिया रूम से. Okay, I think it's perfect to go on. Yeah, देखो, ओफो, better. I hope it's not too light. So I changed my position because I was not comfortable sitting in front of direct sunlight coming to my face. I hope it's clear now because I can see my face clearly. And I have applied my foundation now, and I'm going to use a highlighter to highlight my face. So I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight my face, and it's in the shade 10 light. Very pinch of it. I can't go on with so much concealing my face. I think that's enough. बिकॉज इसका बहुत इतना टाइनी सा भी इसका ना बहुत अच्छे से स्प्रेड होता है, सो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. That's it. You can do it like this. It kinds of uplifts your face. And it's done. Next we will contour our face. So for that I'm using K contour stick, and then later use Hoola bronzer. So we'll again take a very tiny time for some bronzer. So next I am going to use this Powder Puff Lippy from NYX as my blush. I'm going to spread with my hands. the fingers because it gives me a very even finishing. I hope it's not too much of the product, or is it? I like the glow it gives to my face. I really like how it gave me a totally different look. So now I'm going to bake my face using this K loose powder. Just quickly move to the eyes, so I'll just go with the eyebrows first. So I'm done with my eyebrows and prepared my base for the eye makeup. So I'll just quickly start my eye makeup. So I'm going to keep it simple and use this It's Cashmere color first all over my lid. I will go with a darker color to give a nice finishing. So I'm going to use Don't Care It at all and use my finger because it's shimmery, so it will be much easier for me to spread it across with my fingers. Wow. Shall I go for more glitters or is it okay? Let's try some more glitters. Okay, this is perfect. Now this is perfect, right? Yes, this is perfect. I like this. So I am going to use liner in the next step, but before that I want to just discuss about the liners I have currently with me. I have used so far and my experience. So the first one is from Sugar gel liner, and I didn't like it actually at all. I have used Maybelline gel liner. It's much better than Sugar liner because the brush given with this is not very nice and it doesn't spread perfectly. I don't know, the end result was very bad. I had to remove my makeup and it kind of ruined my makeup. I've used just once or twice, so I don't recommend this at all. Second one is this Lakme liner, which is like have to have liner, which kind of every 90s girl keep it with her. This is so perfect. I don't feel like it's very easy to use. I don't feel like giving up it any time. The third one is from Color Bar. It has a very it gives a very nice finishing, has a nice matte color. Uh, the stroke is also nice. I have a very positive review for this. I'm using this for so long, and it's also a very nice liner to have in. But the cost is little high. It could have been a little lesser. I got this for 700. It could have been much more lesser than what it is. So yeah, it's little pricey, but it's very nice. And the last one is from Benefit. This is sketch pen liner. It's very nice liner. I have used this 3 or 4 times before. Even I'm going to use this today as well. The finishing is very nice. The result is very nice. I'll just show you, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, here's the result. So I'm kind of done with my eye makeup, so I'll just put some lashes to give it a nice finishing. This glue and lashes, this both is from PAC, so I don't think I'll be able to put, I find it very difficult to put lashes on, but I'll try doing it here. It's very time taking for me. Surprisingly, it got fitted in the first try itself, which is very strange for me because it's like accomplishment for me. Yes, I did it. I did it. So I have done with my lashes. It looks so gorgeous, and I accomplished it finally. So I'm going to use this white liner. Because it makes my eye look quite bigger. So I'm going to use this Clinique highlighter to finish highlighting. And we'll just swipe it off our translucent powder which we put in for baking. So I'm going to finish my makeup with Lakme 925 shade Plum Feather lipstick. So I'm done with my makeup, and I have put in a bindi to give my makeup a finishing look, Indian traditional look, and I'm coordinating with a sari which might go with my Navratri look. My hair is just not going with me, but I hope you like this makeup and video, just do let me know in comment section.